Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to your English class with me again this week. So let's get right on to it. Selamat datang semua. Jom kita tengok kita nak belajar apa hari ni. Okay, table of contents, isi kandungan. Number 1, the warmer. Warmer activity as always, pemanas kita untuk bahagian pertama. And number 2, activity 2 and 3. Number 2, kita ada 2 aktiviti, 2 dan 3. Tengok dulu banyak ke sikit? Okay, this week is quite tough, I have to say, but let's just try and get through it together. Okay, number 3, activity 4 and activity 5. Okay, bahagian ketiga ada activity 4 dan 5. And lastly, number 4, section 4, we have activity 7. Okay, you'll see why we don't do activity 6 after this. Alright, now let's check out the first part of the lesson, the warmer. Okay, tengok bahagian pertama lesson ni iaitu warmer ataupun aktiviti pemanasan kita. What will you have to do? Okay, so check this out. Sports city you do in any can urban. Okay, bahagian pertama kamu ialah aktiviti pemanas dia. Okay, nak kena buat apa? Kamu tengok dekat atas tu, ayat dia tu. Sports city you do in any can urban. Apa maksud dia? Okay, it's just some words jumbled up together. Okay, dia ni cuma perkataan yang digabungkan. Okay, bersepah lah, dia tak tersusun. Now, what I need you to do is to rearrange the words above and create the correct sentence. Apa teacher perlu kamu buat ialah, kamu salin balik ni, sport city you do in any can urban ni, salin balik and cuba susun dia, jadikan ayat yang betul. Okay, you can pause this video and complete the warm activity for a while and then continue with the next part, or you can just go ahead and listen to the rest of the video and come back to this part after this. Kamu boleh pause dulu video ni dan dengar bahagian seterusnya. Bahagian seterusnya pula, dan teruskan dengan task ni, ataupun kamu boleh teruskan dengar sampai habis dan kembali ke bahagian ni. Okay? Alright, now second part. For activity 2 and 3. Starting from here, you'll have to refer to your PALS 2 textbook, page 12 for this part of the lesson. Okay, bermula daripada sekarang ni, kamu mesti ada buku teks PALS 2 kamu dekat tangan. Okay, dah ada, tengok muka surat 12. Kalau tak ada, tak apa, teacher ada gambar nanti dekat sini, okay? So, if you don't have it, it's okay. I have already included the picture of the page, but it would be so much better if you have it on your hand. Tapi lebih baik kalau ada lah dekat tangan kamu sekarang. Buku teks PALS 2, page 12. Okay, let's check it out. First part, copy this table. Kamu akan buka buku teks dan nampak bahagian ni. Kamu salin dulu table ni. Okay, again you can pause this video for a while if you need to. Kamu boleh pause dulu video ni kalau perlu. Salin ni. Salin dari atas ni, grammar, present simple, affirmative, negative and questions. Number 1, salin ni, lepas tu salin kat bawah ni. Pay attention to the blank spaces. Number 1, 2, 3. Okay, beri perhatian, ada tempat kosong tu. So, tinggalkan ruang untuk tulis jawapan nanti kita buat. Okay, once you're done with this part, check out the next section. Okay, for this section, please ensure that you have copied the table in your book. Untuk bahagian ni, pastikan kamu dah salin jadual ni dalam buku kamu. Okay, dah salin. Teacher nak terangkan, what is present simple? Apa tu present simple? Okay, present simple, present tense, past tense, present continuous, past continuous. Itu semua ialah jenis-jenis ayat. Okay, jenis-jenis ayat. Dah berlaku, kita nak pakai apa? Sebelum berlaku nak pakai apa? Yang berlaku sekarang akan sambung lagi, nak pakai apa? Okay, we are going to learn how to use or what word to use during present time, past tense or future tense. Kita akan belajar, okay? But today, we'll focus on present simple. Apa itu present simple? Present simple is used to refer to events, actions and conditions that are happening all the time or exist now. Okay, present simple ni dia nak cakap pasal events, perkara-perkara or actions atau kejadian or conditions atau keadaan that are happening all the time, yang berlaku sepanjang masa or exist now atau wujud sekarang. Okay, contoh dia, examples. Number 1, I live in Madrid. Saya tinggal di Madrid. Okay, for you, where do you live? You live in Malaysia. Kamu tinggal di Malaysia. Nak cakap macam mana? I live in Malaysia. Saya tinggal di Malaysia. Okay? So, sekarang ni sedang berlaku kamu tinggal di Malaysia. Dia wujud, betul tak? So, jadi dia ialah present simple. It exists now, it is happening all the time. Berlaku sepanjang masa. Why? Because you are living in Malaysia, you are currently living in Malaysia. Okay, kamu sedang tinggal di Malaysia. Okay, example number 2. She doesn't like cheese. Dia tak suka cheese. Okay, tak boleh pakai didn't. Sebab didn't tu past tense. Okay, she doesn't like cheese. Sekarang ni dia tak suka cheese. Dia seorang yang memang tak suka cheese. Maknanya sepanjang dia hidup ni, dia tak suka cheese. So sebab tu kita kena pakai she doesn't like cheese. Now, I love my family. I have a beautiful family. I love my family. Saya sayang keluarga saya. Or lastly, last example, I don't drive. Saya tak drive, saya tak bawa kereta. Okay. Now, if you look carefully, in this table, you have 3 sections. Nampak tak ada 3 bahagian? Affirmative, negative, and questions and short answers. Apa maksud 3 benda ni? Affirmative ni ialah statements. Statements ataupun pernyataan atau kenyataan. I'm not sure which one is which. But dia cuma bagi tahu kita apa yang ada kat situ ataupun apa yang berlaku pada waktu itu. Dia tak ada cakap tak. Dia tak ada tanya soalan. Affirmative ialah statements. Pernyataan. Okay? It tells you what happened during that time. For example, I live in Madrid. She doesn't like cheese. Dia bagi tahu je apa yang berlaku. She doesn't like cheese is not an example for affirmative, ya. I'm sorry. Okay, negative. Negative ni apa? Jahat sangat ke ayat ni? No. Negative means in that sentence, it has the word not or no. Okay? Kita letak kat sini not atau do not. Okay? Singkatan dia don't atau does not, doesn't. Okay? Whenever I ask you what does it mean by the negative statement or negative sentence, it means in that sentence there are words like no or not or do not or does not. Bila-bila teacher tanya apa ayat negatif ni, apa dia? Maksud dia dalam ayat tu ada perkataan not atau perkataan do not atau does not. Yang pentingnya not lah. Okay? Now, lastly, we have questions and short answers. Kalau questions, mesti ada soalan. There must be a question mark in a question form. Kalau kamu nak tanya soalan, mesti ada tanda soal dekat hujung ayat. At the end of the sentence, you must place the question mark. Okay. Now, jom kita tengok. Dekat sini dia ada bagi kamu contoh. I, we, you, he, she, it. Okay, teacher akan tunjuk contoh dalam bentuk jadual. Yang ini kena salin. Ni nampak tak ni? Ni kena salin ni. Tapi yang ni 1, 2, 3 tak perlu salin kalau kamu rasa tak perlu. Boleh salin kalau nak, boleh print kalau nak. Okay? Affirmative sentence, like I've mentioned just now, it means statement. Okay, ayat penyata. Teacher bahagikan kepada 3 bahagian, tapi sebenarnya ni satu ayat. Okay? Sebab 3 bahagian ni untuk tunjukkan dekat kamu macam mana nak pakai, apa bezanya kat sini. Kamu kena fokus bahagian verb dan penyusunan subjek dengan verb ni. Okay, tengok subjek. Subjek ni we can also replace the word subject with the word noun. Okay, subject or noun. Basically dia kata nama lah, singular or plural. Dia ada 2. There are 2 parts of this. There's singular and also there's plural noun. Ada singular iaitu seorang atau satu benda atau orang, dan juga ada plural. Plural ni lebih dari satu lah. Okay, 2 people or 3 cats, 4 books, 5 buildings. Okay, those are the examples of plural nouns. Verb is kata kerja. Excuse me. Verb ialah kata kerja ataupun perbuatan, an action. Okay? Objek ni, teacher saja je letak objek. It's just to replace all the things that's happening after this. Okay, objek ni basically apa yang dia buat lah dekat sini. Apa yang noun ni buat, apa orang ni buat. Okay? Now, let's check out the first part. Teacher asingkan First part is the singular noun. Listen very carefully. This is the singular noun. He, she, it, Farid. He, she, it, Farid. Okay, kenapa kita letak nama orang kat sini ni? Ini nak tunjukkan dekat kamu, kalau orang tu seorang, kita memang pakai dia sebagai singular noun. Okay? Now, bila orang ni singular, dekat verb dia, perbuatan dia, kita mesti tambah S. Okay, you must add the letter S at the end of the word or the verb for singular noun. Okay, for example, he drinks juice. She wears Nike Air 1. It meows loudly. Farid speaks softly. I'm sorry, there's an error here. Speaks softly. Farid speaks softly. Okay, so bila singular noun, bila orang itu satu atau benda itu satu, verb dia mesti ada S. Okay, ini untuk present simple. Okay, now kalau I, kenapa I ni asing? Sebab I ini dia seorang. I is a singular noun, but I put it in a different section because I want to show you the verb that is used by the singular noun I. Okay, teacher nak tunjuk macam mana verb yang I ni pakai. Okay, so I seorang, verb dia tak ada S. Perasan tak? Drink, wear, meow. I drink, I wear, I meow. Okay, so dia tak ada S walaupun dia seorang. Itu sahaja untuk I. Mesti faham part ni, okay? So, kalau nak cakap I like to read, saya suka membaca, tak boleh sebut I likes to read. Okay, I itu seorang tapi dia pakai verb untuk ramai. Okay, tengok you, we, they. You, we, they ni seorang ke lebih dari seorang? Lebih dari seorang. You ni kita kira dia sebagai plural noun. Okay, now you drink, we wear, they meow. So semua ni tak ada S sebab dia lebih dari seorang. Plural noun, dia punya verb tak boleh ada S. Okay, alright. Now tengok seterusnya. Let's check out the next slide. Negative sentence. Ayat yang negatif ada perkataan no atau not. There's no or not in this sentence. Okay, now let's check out the subject. As always, there are two types, singular and plural. And then the verb, do not or does not. And then the object or the action. Alright, so for this part, pay attention to the verb. Do not is for plural noun. Does not is for singular noun. Now, he, she, it, Farid. These are the singular noun. So, bila orang itu satu atau benda itu satu, kita nak cakap dia tidak, dia tak. Okay, so pakai ni. Does not. Contoh, for example, dia tak minum jus. He does not drink juice. Dia tak minum jus. So, does not drink. Does not. He does not. Okay, if you say he not drink juice, then your sentence is wrong. Okay, salah. Sebab kita tak tahu he ni nama orang ke. So tak boleh. Tak letak does, mesti letak does. Okay, he does not drink juice. Kalau she does not wear Nike Air 1. Okay, by the way, Nike Air 1 ialah nama kasut, model kasut Nike Air 1. Harga dia dalam RM500 lebih. Okay, kalau nak belilah, teacher bagi tahu je. Okay, it does not meow. Okay, it does not meow loudly. It does. Okay, Farid does speak softly. Okay, perasan tak beza dia kat sini? Kalau sini, he drinks juice. She wears Nike Air 1. It meows. Dekat sini ada S kan? Ada S. Tapi dekat sini kita dah tak ada S dia. Nampak tak? He does not drink. Kita tak pakai he does not drinks. Sebab apa? Sebab dah ada perkataan does. Dia dah tunjuk dah. Ni seorang ni. He ni seorang. Seorang orang lelaki tak minum air jus. Okay, so does dah tunjukkan dia singular. Tak perlu tambah S lagi dekat sini. He does not drink juice. You cannot ever write he does not drinks juice. Itu salah. Okay, so salin macam ni je. Tulis macam ni. Ingat, singular noun mesti macam ni kalau nak cakap dia tak atau dia tidak. Okay, now I. What happens to I? It follows the verb of the other plural nouns. Okay, I dia ikut verb yang dipakai oleh plural noun yang lain. Contohnya, I do not drink, I do not wear, I do not meow loudly. Okay, you do not drink, we do not wear, they do not meow. Sama tak? Verb untuk I dan juga verb untuk you, we, they. It is the same, but the noun is different. I is for one person, you, we, they is for more than one person. Okay, so it's very important that you pay attention to the subject before you decide on which verb to use. Penting kamu tengok dekat subjek tu dulu, dia ni singular ke plural, sebelum kamu pilih nak pakai verb yang mana. Alright, now let's check out the last part, the question and short answer. Question itu soalan dan juga short answer, soalan dan jawapan. Okay, dah ada soalan, mesti ada jawapan. Alright, tengok, the location is different now. If you want to ask question, you must put the verb first and then followed by the subject and then the action or the object. Okay, untuk tanya soalan, kamu kena tulis verb dia dulu. Okay, kata kerja dia dulu. Kemudian baru kamu tengok dia, baru kamu letakkan noun. Okay, baru kamu letak noun. Nak tanya soalan ni, siapa yang nak tanya soalan? Dia tu siapa? Dia tu lelaki ke perempuan? Kalau lelaki he, perempuan she. Lebih daripada seorang ke? Tak lebih dari seorang. Kalau tak lebih, he seorang lelaki. Does he drink juice? Dia minum jus tak? Macam tu. Okay, dah tanya soalan kan? You already asked the question. Does he drink juice? Now you must answer it. If he does drink juice, then this is how you're gonna answer it. Kalau dia minum jus, jawab macam ni, yes he does. Kalau dia tak minum, no he doesn't. Okay, teacher dah buat satu-satu ni, kamu boleh tengok. Dekat sini, follow je. Does he drink juice? Yes he does. No he does not. Does she wear Nike Air One? Yes she does. No she does not. You can choose. Okay, you can refer to this table soon. Bila-bila nanti nak buat soalan lagi ataupun nak tulis karangan, boleh tengok dekat jadual ni yang teacher dah buat ni. Nak salin ke tak teacher? Lagi sekali, this is optional. You can choose to copy it or you can just print it out. Boleh salin, boleh print kalau nak. Okay, kalau tak nak, tak apa. Now, do. Do is used for plural noun. Do digunakan untuk noun yang plural. Okay, noun yang plural. Tapi lagi sekali, I ni dia satu orang. Tapi penggunaan verb dia sama dengan plural. Contohnya, nak tengok soalan dekat dia sendiri. Do I drink juice? Saya minum jus tak? Do I meow loudly? Seekor kucing bercakap. Saya meow kuat sangat ke? Okay. Short answer, yes I do or no I do not. Tengok, kamu mesti ikut. Kalau soalan tu pakai I, jawapan mesti ada I. Okay, kalau soalan tu tanya, do you drink juice? Then your answer must be, yes you do. Kalau you memang minum jus. Kalau you tak minum jus, no you do not. Okay, cakap macam tu. Alright, jelas? So, apa nak kena buat? Salin ni. Dan dah faham tadi apa affirmative, negative and questions and short answers. Kamu isi tempat kosong. He, she, it. Apa urban sports. If you need better explanation, if you think my explanation was not that good, you can go ahead and refer to page 19. Kalau kamu rasa penerangan teacher tu tak adalah bagus sangat, kamu boleh pergi muka surat 19 buku kamu. Go ahead and check it out. Okay, now activity 2. Activity 2, tadi kamu dah salin table ni kan? Dah isi tempat kosong kan? Dah tahu dah nak buat macam mana? Now, activity 2. Yes, this question exists in your textbook, page 12. Soalan ni ada dalam buku teks kamu, muka surat 12. What you have to do is copy and complete this activity. Buat activity 2 ni, salin ni. Activity 2, read the spelling rules on page 19. Then, complete the sentences with the present simple form of the verbs in brackets. Okay, disuruh kamu isi tempat kosong menggunakan present simple form of the verbs in brackets. Maksudnya, jawapan kamu mesti dalam keadaan present simple. Okay, Lepas tu, verb dalam bracket ni mesti pakai. Nampak ada bracket. Bracket tu kurungan. Bracket is kurungan. So, you must use this word. Include it in your answer. Okay, so for example, number 1. Jenna, a lot of sport in her free time. So, Jenna, is it singular or plural? Singular. So, do. For plural ke untuk singular ni do? Kalau do tu untuk singular, untuk plural, so jawapan you mestilah berdasarkan dia juga. Does. Okay, so pakai tak? Pakai. Tapi dia dalam bentuk singular. Okay, jawab betul-betul. Alright. We not have time to play that game now. We not. Kami tak. Kalau nak letak not, kena ada apa kat depan? Boleh tengok balik yang teacher dah share ataupun tengok dalam table ni yang kamu dah jawab. Okay? Now, complete all of this. Salin semua ni dan jawab. Alright? You can do this. Banyak lagi kita nak buat ni. Okay, next. Activity 3. Write the questions. Then, write the answers that are true for you. Okay? Disuruh salin soalan-soalan ni. Ni number 1, 2, 3, 4. Salin semua. And then write the answers that are true for you. Kemudian kamu jawab soalan-soalan ni berdasarkan pendapat kamu sendiri. Okay? Number 1. Look at the noun. Tengok noun dia. Tengok kat sini. Your friends go to the cinema. Your friends. Okay? So, your friends. Is it singular or plural? Baru kita boleh pilih nak letak do ke does. Ingat, tanya soalan mesti ada perkataan do atau does dekat depan. You are asking a question. Ini contoh macam mana nak buat. Salin ni semua, salin semua and then write your answer. Okay? And that is it. Mula-mula salin ni, kemudian salin yang ni, kemudian salin yang ini. Okay. Now, number 3. Activity 4, activity 5. Same as always, same as previous section. Please refer to your Pulse 2 textbook, page 12 for this part of the lesson. Sama macam tadi, rujuk buku teks kamu, muka surat 12. Okay, apa kita nak buat? Tengok ke sini. So now, if you look carefully on page 12, there's another table. Ada lagi satu jadual kan? So, what you need to do is to copy everything here. Salin ni semua dalam buku. And pay attention to the blank spaces. Beri perhatian pada ruang kosong ni. Nanti nak kena isi soalan. Number 1, I ... joking. It ... listening. Okay, so tempat kosong ni. Gariskan. Jangan nak lukis titik pula. ... kat situ. Okay. Salin ni. Now, I will explain to you apa maksud table ni. Okay, kalau tadi kita ada present simple. In the previous part, we have talked about present simple. For this part, we are going to talk about present continuous. Untuk bahagian ni, kita akan cakap pasal present continuous. Apa tu present continuous? Jing, jing, jing. Okay, present continuous is used to refer to events or actions that are happening or developing now. Present, sekarang. Continuous, bersambung. Apa maksud dia? Dia kita pakai bila kita nak cakap pasal events atau actions atau kejadian yang sedang berlaku sekarang, sedang berkembang sekarang. Okay, tengah buat sekarang ni. I am talking right now. Okay, I am talking. Saya sedang bercakap. Ni, teacher ada bagi saya examples. I did provide you with some examples here. The kids are watching TV. Budak-budak tu tengah tengok TV. So, mereka sedang menonton TV. They are watching the TV right now. Sekarang ni, sedang tengok TV. Okay, the weather is getting colder. Katakanlah kamu kat luar, tiba-tiba salji turun. Sejuknya. The weather is getting colder. Cuaca makin sejuk ni. Okay, and then we have I am cooking. Saya sedang memasak. Or they are coming. Diorang tengah datang on the way tu. Okay, again, ada penjelasan dekat sini. Apa itu affirmative, negative dan question. Kamu dah faham dah. Tadi teacher dah terangkan. Now, contoh dia. Macam mana nak tulis ayat-ayat ni? Okay. First of all, beri perhatian pada subjek dia. Pay attention to the subject. Is it singular or is it plural? Dia singular ke plural? He, she, it ataupun siapa-siapa, nama siapa, David, John, Harry, Jackson or whoever it is. Nama siapa-siapa pun kalau seorang, dia singular. Verb dia mesti is. Ni sedang buat ni, tengah buat ni. He is running. She is running. It is running. Farid is running. So, kalau dia seorang, mesti pakai macam ni. Is. Tak boleh pakai benda lain. Okay? Sedang. Ni tengah buat sekarang ni. For example, you. You are listening. Okay? Nanti kita tengok. I. Lagi sekali, again, I put I in a separate column or section or row. Saya letak I dalam row yang berbeza, baris yang berbeza because of its specialty. Sebab keistimewaan dia. I is a singular subject or noun. Tapi dia tak pakai is. I is running. Saya sedang berlari. Salah. That is incorrect. You do not use is for I. I is running is incorrect. But instead use am. I am running. Saya sedang berlari. Okay? I am running. I am eating. I am thinking. I am dreaming. I am walking. I am singing. Okay? So, kalau dia I, mesti am. Tak boleh is, tak boleh are. Okay, now let's have a look at the last section. You, we, they. Okay, itu ialah plural noun. Lebih daripada seorang. You, we, they. Kamu, kami, mereka. Okay, itu semua ialah plural. Lebih dari seorang. Confirm. No doubt. Okay, so what kind of verb do we use? We use are. Okay, are. Okay, let me just give you one secret, yeah. This is also known as be. When you look at questions which ask you to give the be. Okay, ada soalan nanti dia cakap isi tempat kosong menggunakan be. Apa tu be? Is it labah-labah? Is it labah-labah? Is it lebah? No. Be means is, am or are. Okay. So, bila dia cakap be ni, kamu tak letaklah be dekat. He be running. She be running. It be running. I be running. No. You use the correct verb. He is, or he am, or he are. Tengok jadual ni. Okay. You, we, they are running. You are running. We are running. Or they are running. We are eating. We are dancing. You are walking. They are dreaming. They are jumping. Okay. Tengok table ni. Do you have to copy this into your book? No, it is optional. Boleh salin kalau rasa perlu. Kalau rasa tak perlu, tak payah salin. Boleh tengok video ni lagi lain kali. Okay, next. The negative sentence. Okay, kalau dia tak buat benda tu, if you want to deny the fact that he or she is doing that, if you want to say that he or she is not doing that, so you use the same verb, but just add the word not next to it, after it. Okay, tambah je perkataan not lepas tu. Kalau nak cakap, he is not running, he's sleeping. Dia tak berlari pun. Dia tengah tidur. He is not running. Dia tak berlari. Dia bukan. Sekarang dia tak berlari. She is not running. Dia tak berlari. Okay. Farid is not running. It is not running. Okay. Kalau I pula macam mana? I am not running. I am not running. You, we, they are not. You are not running. We are not running. They are not running. Okay? Now, last one, question and answer. Kalau sama macam tadi, it's the same as the previous part. We change the location of the verb from the middle to the beginning of the sentence. Kita tukar kedudukan verb tu daripada awal ke daripada tengah ke awal ayat. Okay, kalau nak tanya soalan, if you want to ask question, this is the arrangement. Okay, susunan dia macam ni. Is he running? The verb is placed at the front. Okay, verb itu diletak di awal ayat. Is he running? Adakah dia sedang berlari? Am I running? Am I running? Am I? Okay, adakah saya sedang berlari? Am I running? And then we have, are you running? Are we running? Are they running? Okay, so every question must have an answer. Setiap soalan mesti ada jawapan kan? Okay, so Jawapan pun teacher dah tunjukkan kat sini. For example, you're asking a person, is he running? Contohnya kamu tanya orang, is he running? Dia tengah berlari ke? So, jawapan dia kalau ya, yes he is. Kalau jawapan dia tak, no he's not. Am I running? Yes I am. Kalau orang tu I, mesti am juga. Am I running? Yes I am. No I am not. Short answer for plural noun pula. Are you running? Yes you are. No, you're not. Okay? Now, activity 5. Look at page 12 in your textbook. Tengok buku teks kamu, activity 5. Write questions using the present continuous. Tulis soalan berdasarkan present continuous. Okay, ni salah sorry. Okay, you feel hungry. Question number 1, you feel hungry. So, present continuous, nampak tak? Noun dia ialah you. So, verb dia mesti untuk plural. So, you feel. Okay, untuk continuous mesti tambah I. Ng. Okay, ing. Are you feeling hungry? Okay, present continuous, selain daripada is am verb dia juga mesti tambah ing. For example, feel, dia jadi feeling. Are you feeling hungry? Kalau you tulis are you feel hungry, then jawapan kamu salah. It must be are you feeling hungry? Kamu lapar ke? Okay, so you wear jeans today. Remember, verb dia mesti tambah ing. Okay, you must add ing in the verb. Alright. Now, the last section. Ini ialah activity last kamu. Activity 7. Look at page 12 and check out activity 7. Please refer to your Pulse 2 textbook, page 12 for this part of the lesson. Okay? Complete the dialogue with the present continuous form of the verbs in the bracket. Okay, again. Activity 7, bukan soalan ni activity 7 is from your textbook. It's a dialogue. Okay, buka buku teks, boleh tengok dialogue tu. I think I have it somewhere around here. Okay, I'll just include it for you and show it. Alright, this is activity 7 for your reference. Kalau tak nampak dalam buku ni, teacher tunjuk kat sini. Okay, activity 7 ni dekat sini je. So what we'll have to do is just copy everything. Salin balik soalan ni, complete the dialogue, tulis semua, and then jawab ni. Okay, the first one, this person is asking Anna a question. Tom tanya Anna soalan, what you do. Tengok, you singular ke plural? Plural. So what are you? Do itu perbuatan kan? Kalau do dia tengah buat ni, nak tambah ing. Jadi macam mana? What are you doing? What are you doing? So jawapan kedua, I singular, tapi dia punya verb macam mana? I is ke? I am ke? I are ke? Tengok balik table tu. Look at the table back again, okay? So, tugasan kamu ialah, I'll just summarize everything up for you. Number 1, please do this warmer activity. Teacher akan ringkaskan untuk kamu. Nombor 1, dalam buku mesti tulis warmer activity ni, sport city you do in any can urban, susun balik, jadikan satu ayat yang betul, pastikan penggunaan huruf besar dan huruf kecil, dan juga full stop dekat hujung ayat. Make sure that you use the correct form of capital letters and small letters, and end your sentence with a full stop. Okay, the next activity is for you to do, copy this table, fill in the blanks. Okay, isi tempat kosong. Ini ialah contoh, tak perlu salin pun tak apa, tapi yang ini salin. Okay, and then do activity 2, copy everything, do it. And then activity 3, copy everything and do it. And then your next task is copy this table. Fill in the blanks. And then, what do you need to do? Do activity 5. Write questions using present continuous. And then you will do activity 7. Complete the dialogue with the present continuous form of the verbs in the bracket. Okay, lengkapkan dialog ni dengan present continuous dalam kurungan. Alright, and that is it for this week. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a wonderful time completing your tasks. If you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Bye. Kalau ada soalan, boleh tanya Cici dekat WhatsApp atau Telegram, okay? Bye-bye.